What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back here to Hoover Demolition. So today with me I have a Hoover, and today we're gonna torture the F out of this Hoover with some screws. So first things first, I'm gonna open the screw bottle, and I'm gonna get a handful of screws here. Put a piece of plastic. Okay. Alright, so here we go. We're going to put some plastic in here. We're going to put some screws in here. We're going to put some seals in here. I got all kinds of stuff to put in this vacuum. So, alright, so here we go. So guys, how do you guys like to, how would you guys like to subscribe to my channel? Guys, if you really like to subscribe to my channel, you guys can go down below and subscribe. This thing is going to sound like a hot rod in a second. So I'm putting so much crap in there it's not even funny. So here we go. Some more stuff out of this bottle, screws, and odds and ends I have here. So guys, who's ever cut themselves with a knife on accident? Not really cut themselves, but poked themselves. I did yesterday. Oh, that one fell down pretty good. Oh, I got some good stuff now, guys. There we go. Bring this vacuum back here. Alright, let's see what this does, guys. So, warning, if you guys have headphones on, warning, if you guys have headphones on. Again, if you guys have headphones on, I'm not sorry for you guys. Again, I am sorry, but I'm not. You guys should know. Demolition Devin. Alright, guys, so here we go. I'm going to plug my ears. You guys should probably too. So here we go, guys. And it's dead, guys. So you know what that means? Time to unplug her. And that's smoky. Smoky oaky. Not really smoky, but dusty. Alright, so I'm gonna move this out the way. So, first things first. Let's break this. So I got at least a few more screws here. So we'll use those in another video. So I'm gonna see something real quick. One more thing. So let's see. Is she done? Or is it truly just a thermostat issue? Come on now. Come on now. I want to see if it's truly a thermostat issue. Nope, it's a thermostat issue. Oh shit. Oh damn. Yeah, it's done. Ooh, yeah, it's done. That's some smoky business now, guys. Alright. So now it's time to get this hose off of here. Hammer. Hammer, 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 hammer. So now, Demolition Devin is going to cut this cord off of here. Cut this cord off of here, guys. Because it is truly finished. You heard that buzz. The very first buzz. There we go. And that's very hot at the bottom, so. It just spun around there. Alright. Alright, so spin this around here, turn around here, so I can make you guys know that I'm right here. Hello guys, I'm right here. Alright guys, so first things first. Bring this guy back here. Sorry guys if I said that. So here we go. I'm gonna break this guy off of here. Oh, really? Really now, huh? You wanna hurt me, huh? You wanna hurt me, huh? You wanna hurt me, punk, huh? Punky, huh? Punky, huh? Sorry, YouTubers. Aha! Guys, I just broke that right off. So, we are going to break this piece off right here. Oh. Ah! Really? Oh, guys, I got it off. I got it off, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Sure got it off. The hose is all smashed up now, but that's probably because it's been in that little fucking area for so long. Holy shit. So I'll bring this over to you guys here. So, what do you guys think about this? So, let me kind of snitch shot here. So, what do you think about that? Look at that fucking hose. Look at that hose. Look at that. Tell me what you guys think about that. Just look right there. See how that hose is? See? That hose is not right. It's all fucked up. And they say it's a non-crush proof hose. Non-crush proof my booty. My bootra. Okay, so why the hell do they have to glue this on here? I mean, literally, why the hell do they have to glue something on here when you have to get it off? For one, and for two, I mean, they don't have to glue it on there. Sorry guys, but alright, I have to do this flathead. That's not like them off. That's not like them off. So, if I can reach over here to my tools. To my tools. To the tools. Guys. Alright guys. So let's figure this muscle out. Muscle Man. So how in the Weebos did they have this on here? What the hell? Okay, so one thing's for certain, I know this. This vacuum surely does stink. And I'm gonna tell you something. They did not take care of this vacuum. I gotta hold on to it so that way I don't move. So I'll tell you this. It still spins. Well, what the hell? No, it don't spin that good though. I was about to get mad there for a second, YouTubers. Cause I thought it spun. I was about to get mad. Alright, so this vacuum currently don't have no way of taking the hose off. So, you know, Demolition Devin, you know, if a vacuum don't have a way of taking something off, ooh, hang on 1 second. I know, I can feel it right there. Yeah. Yeah, I think, guys, when I add on this recording studio, I'm putting insulation and silicone on where my floor is cracked at. So I have to fill this all in. What's coming? No. Strong too, guys. Really now. I got it, guys. Look at that. I got it. So YouTubers, let's see what's inside of the motor. First, let's get this off of here. Oh! 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 Guys, look. Guys. Oh! Alright, so honestly, I'm probably going to have to go to part 2. So I'll be right back. Peace.